friends, staying due to the travel bug, we travel to Badlands National Park to hike Notch Trail and to see if we can discover why this is one of Hollywood's favorite filming locations.
Piece of cake.
So, where are we going today?
Going to the Badlands, South Dakota.
Bad as in like Michael Jackson did? No?
No, it's in the national park.
Oh. Cool.
Yeah, we're gonna go on a Notch Trail. I think it's one of their most popular trails. We'll see if we can do it though. It's supposed to be like a moderately hard trail, so it might be hard for 3-year-old legs back there.
Yeah, my guess is I'm gonna have a little Alec riding my shoulders.
Yeah, possibly. The Badlands is located in South Dakota. It's about 250,000 acres of exotic terrain. Its rugged beauty draws visitors from around the world.
What's up, guys?
No wonder they have giant.
Oh my goodness.
Marco, look!
Look at those horns.
We made it! Alright, gonna go find Notch Trail.
So what do you think about our trail?
I don't know how many of you know this, but when Hollywood is looking to film something in outer space, in the moon, or on a planet, or like Armageddon on an asteroid, they come here because it pretty much looks not of this earth. The Badlands' striking geological deposits and rich fossil beds was perfect for Starship Troopers Bug Planet. And if we could all buy into the fact that it was easier to teach drillers to be astronauts than to teach astronauts how to drill, then I guess we can believe that the national park was an asteroid.
We got that power. For more unique travel shows, like and subscribe to see where Doodlebug goes next.